We know that dual language learning is a complex process. It varies a lot from one person to another, depending on environment. In your dissertation, you explored some of these patterns longitudinally. What were some of the overall findings in that study?
One of the things that I focused on in my dissertation was really the children maintaining and continuing to grow in their Spanish. And what we were finding actually was that they were declining in their Spanish skills. So they were either maintaining without any growth below a mastery level when we were still expecting them to be learning at preschool, kindergarten, first grade age. Specifically in their grammar skills, which followed a lot of prior case studies. We did see that Spanish and English, so dual language development, was different depending on whether or not they were having their heritage language of Spanish supported in the school system, so academically. We also looked at whether Spanish language influenced English literacy. And I think because our kiddos were in an English-only school, that they really didn't have that foundation of Spanish to really have the influence on literacy skills. And so one thing that came from that, though, is that we did talk to the families in those schools about the findings, and they have really stepped up to start supporting Spanish in the home more.